Hi everyone, here we've got a REALME C3 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on home screen and wallpaper. Now we have to scroll down to actually very bottom, and as you can see here we've got the personalization section, so simply tap on set wallpaper. And here we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from our photos, so after tapping here we will be transferred to our gallery, or we can choose something from static wallpapers, and here we've got some defaultly installed ones. So let me pick this option, and as you can see here we've got some wallpapers. So all you have to do in order to check the preview of it is simply tap on it. So let me pick this one for example. Here we've got the permission request, so just tap on agree. Okay, here we have to tap on allow also. And as you can see, here we've got the preview of our wallpaper. If you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply tap on set as, which is right here. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it on, as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both, so just tap on the option you'd like to use. And as you can see, we just got back to the wallpaper, so let's go back to the home screen. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately applied. And let's check the lock screen also. It is also visible on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.